All right, so if you guys remember in a previous video, we just replaced the control arms with brand new tight control arms from Max Speeding Rods. Love the product, but one of the things that we noticed is the lower control arm mount on the passenger side of the Jeep. Looks like I've hit it one too many times off-road, and it's actually broken the welds and separated from the frame. So once everything was tight up front with those new control arms, driving down the road, I could actually feel the flex in that mount up against that frame. So today we are going to use some good old-fashioned redneck engineering and invite my brother Chris back down from Maine, since he's the fabricator, and see if we can't re-weld it and fix it.
I have my Popeye the Sailor Man arms on today.
Nice. So it's 105 degrees outside in the Las Vegas heat. And you came out here so graciously to help us fix the Jeep today, right?
Yeah, because it wasn't hot enough. I'm just going to, make fire under the Jeep and stuff.
This sounds like fun.
Yeah.
So we had to clean this up, get the old little tiny bead of a weld off. This is where she broke. You can tell completely separated from the frame up here. Oh, that's horrible. So this is what's cleaned up. This is the broken side. So this is what we're going to try to fix. But let me show you what Chrysler says it's actually supposed to look like. All right, so this is the passenger side. And this right here, that's it. That is the factory weld that's holding the strength of this entire control arm bracket to the frame. Just that little bit. Frankly, it looks like a bead of caulking, if you ask me. But I think what we're going to do is I think we're going to grind this down too, and grind this down, and we're going to re-weld this bracket on this side, just so that we don't have this same problem.
Stop breaking your Jeep! Quiet on set! Close to where I want it.
After Chris got the welding done, we took it up here, up to the peak just outside of Las Vegas, hit a few rocks and some trails, made sure no more popping, no more shaking, and even with the Jeep flexed out, she's holding nice and true. So I know it's not necessarily something that everybody's going to have to deal with, but keep an eye on those crappy little welds from Chrysler on your vital components, because that could have been an absolute disaster if we didn't know that it was broken. So in the meantime, folks, once again, my name is Josh. This is Jeeping for Beginners. I hope you enjoyed our little fix. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Put it in the comments down below. In the meantime, folks, stay safe, happy Jeeping, and we'll see you next time. And Stevens was gracious enough to let us use his garage in order to do this.
Don't look at me, my neck is black, my bread.